Alright. This song was written by Brad Blizzard. He contacted me and asked me to sing it. It's about his crush, Taylor Swift. So, Taylor, if you're out there and you hear this, you should contact Brad. Here you go, Brad. Lately I've been dreaming about this girl, even though I ain't never met her. She feels like my whole world, and the way she sings and plays guitar, don't you know that it melts my heart? I see her on the TV screen, she shines just like a star, with a beautiful smile and the big long curves. Oh man, I just wanna say to her, Taylor, Taylor, don't think you know it, but I'm thinking about you, standing in your little white dress, looking like a princess. Oh Taylor, Taylor, you can drive my truck, you can have my heart, it'll all work out, and we'll never be apart. Oh Taylor, I'm falling for you. All these other songs about them other dudes, well apparently something ain't going right. There was a way I could meet you, I'm sure you'll fall for me, and you would be my dream come true. I would be your Romeo and you would be my Juliet. This is a love story you won't forget, baby. Ooh, Taylor, Taylor, don't think you know it, but I'm thinking about you, standing in your little white dress, looking like a princess. Oh Taylor, Taylor, you can drive my truck, you can have my heart, it'll all work out, and we'll never be apart. Oh Taylor, yeah Taylor, I'm falling for you. Taylor, I could give you 50 million reasons I should be the one that you choose. Listen to your songs and ask yourself, would ever I want back to you? Taylor, Taylor, don't think you know it, but I'm falling for you, standing in your little white dress, looking like a princess. Oh Taylor, Taylor, you can drive my truck, you can have my heart, it'll all work out, and we'll never be apart. Oh Taylor, yeah Taylor, I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. There you go, man. I winged a little bit of it, but it's alright. She gets the point.